Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to buy on Taobao using your Alipay balance or using your Alipay TourPass to pay supplier on Taobao. But before we get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation, you get notified. And lastly but not least, if you would like to connect with me on WhatsApp, you can connect with me right here, via the number right here. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to your Taobao. So right here, this is my Taobao. So I'm going to click on it right away. Alright, so you can scroll down and then look for products of your choice. Okay, scroll down. Alright, so let's say I want to buy this particular clothes right here. All you have to do is to click on the product link right here. So I click on product link, it's open up this way. Okay, so you have to, next step is to tap on the product picture right here. Then it open up full like this. So the next step you have to take is to click on here. Then right here, this is where you set you select the color and the size you will like. So let's say for instance I'm interested in this one, or I need to buy like two. So when you select your product, you have to click on here now. Then it open up in this page. So right here you can see we have select two quantity of this product. This is the product name right here. So and this is the amount we are going to pay in RMB. Okay, so if you are using your Alipay to make payment, or you are using your Alipay TourPass, so definitely you are going to be charged 139.80 RMB. So for you to make payment with your Alipay, all you have to do is to make sure that you click on here first. Click on this place first and make sure you change this place to Alipay. So I'm going to click on here now. Then I will come over here and tick here to select Alipay. Boom. So you can see now that Alipay as a means of payment has been selected. So once you select your Alipay, come down below here and click on this button to make the payment. So this is how you make payments using your Alipay on Taobao without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and see how you place order or how you buy from Taobao supplier using your Alipay balance or Alipay TourPass. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe to the channel. If you would like to join my paid training, you can connect with me on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.